Paano magkaroon ng travel fund? Set an intention that you want to travel, right? Then set a goal. Kailan mo ba gustong mag-travel? For example, in 6-month time, gusto mong mag-travel to Boracay. So, anong pwede mong gawin para ma-achieve yan? Remember the money jar system, the long-term for spending fund account, you can put there. Check your finances. What's your income? What's your expenses? Kung ano yung natitira. And from there, you can adjust anong pwede mong gawin to cut off your expenses para you have extra money na pwede mong ilagay sa travel fund mo. If you don't have that intention, you will never have a travel fund. But never travel because of peer pressure. Dahil nahila ka ng kaibigan mo, dahil hindi mo alam paano mag-say no, you just say yes. Punta tayo ng Boracay, punta tayo ng Palawan, punta tayo kahit saan. Pero ang reality, wala ka talagang extra pera. Ang ending, you will resort to utang. Mangungutang ka para masustain yung lifestyle. Mangungutang ka para makapag-travel ka. Sino bang nahihirapan? Yung kaibigan mo or ikaw? Mag-isip ka.